Hello friends, welcome to a new video, and in this video we are showing you the historic 9-arc bridge of the Ella town in Sri Lanka. Ella is a beautiful hill station situated in the Uva province of the Sri Lanka. Ella is famous for its tea gardens and its beautiful train journey all over the world. So today we are here to see the one of the famous 9-arch bridge of the Ella. This bridge is almost 100 years old and it was built by the British when the Sri Lanka was the colony of the British. This bridge has 9 arcs and its bridge is made up of stones and bricks. The main quality of this bridge is that iron and beams are not used for the construction of this bridge. A walk on the track of this bridge is considered a heritage walk. This bridge and the area around it is very famous among the Europeans. A train passing over the bridge between the tea gardens is a very mesmerizing view. So I also take a walk on this heritage bridge and became a part of the heritage. On your way to the 9-arc bridge, you can see many small restaurants and you can also visit to the Ceylon tea factory. Thank you friends for watching the video.